Hey everybody, I'm Palm Beach's Paul, your local realtor and guide to living in South Florida, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you've been with me from the very beginning, you'll know that a lot of my videos used to be going out to places like this. Beautiful parks here in Palm Beach County, and showing you why I call living here, living in paradise. As you can see today, I'm at a really pretty park. I'm at the West Delray Regional Park out here off State Road 7 in Delray Beach. And it's just a beautiful day out, and as you can see behind me, there's a lake here. I've actually tried to do some fishing. I haven't had any luck, but they say there's some bass in there. And then there's all sorts of stuff to do out here. So this is a really great place to come. Now, I've been coming here for years because I used to bring my son when he was real little, and they have an RC race car track here. So we'd bring his RC car and, you know, race it out here. But that's not all they have. At this park, there's so much stuff that you can go to: an RC racetrack, a helicopter and drone flight area, frisbee golf, a lake for RC race boats, but it looks like they kind of let that fall apart, an airport for RC planes and jets, and the main reason we're out here, a mountain bike trail. My son is somewhere, I don't know, somewhere out there riding hills and drops and berms and everything. The kid loves it though. It's a really cool park. But that's not all. They also have archery on the other far side. They have these beautiful trails that you can just go walk and enjoy the nature. And they have places where you can picnic and hang out and grill. They actually have little charcoal grills over there and have a nice day out with the family. And it's just one of the many beautiful parks that you have here in Palm Beach County, and why, you know, I love living here so much. They're just, you know, those first videos that I did when I started this channel were me going to parks because that's what I love to do. I love the outdoors. I love the nature. I love fishing. You guys know that. And yeah, it's just a great, you know, thing to do. And there's so many places like this throughout all of Florida, but especially here in Palm Beach County. Now, we like coming to this one because my son got into mountain biking this year. He got a mountain bike for Christmas. And this one, not only is it the closest trail to our house, which makes it good for Dad, but you know, it's a good trail. He likes it. It's somewhat challenging, but not too hard. And they do have like I think a black diamond course. He went on that once, but for the most part, it's just a good trail, and everyone's super friendly, and they're really helpful to the newer riders like him. And then, you know, we've gone down south to the other trails on a weekend, but this one, he gets out of school, and I pick him up and then bring him out here to the trail, and I usually just sit in the car and read, and he gets some mountain biking. Also, there's lots of nature out here, which is beautiful. And then there's those planes. I mean, did you see that? Those are jets. So they have those remote control planes, which is really cool to watch. And also the racetrack. Now, they have the circular track, but they used to have a dirt track with bumps and all that. But I don't know why they let it go. And it's just, there's a stand there and you can sit and watch people race. That's where we used to go. But now it's just kind of all falling apart and not so nice looking. But the circular track is still there. So if you like to race your cars and go in circles, that track's really nice looking. But I think I might actually get to see a gator. I see one. Sure, there he is. So you come out here and you never know what kind of nature you're gonna find. Mr. Gator. Okay, so I don't like turning my back to something that could eat me in a few bites, but he's out there a ways. Although I keep looking on the shore to make sure there's no other ones, because there could be. He's right up there. You probably can't see him too much because the sun's shining in our face, and I'm using my GoPro today and it doesn't have a zoom. But he's out there and he looks to be 5 or 6 feet long, maybe. Kind of hard to tell. He's underwater, but there's an alligator right here in Florida. And I don't see him anymore. So I'm gonna leave. I don't want to be eaten today. especially by an alligator. So yeah, they have lots of fun stuff to do, like right out here behind me. Over here, you can see out here they've got the Frisbee golf course, which is pretty cool. It's really nice and green out there. And then they have a little section for drones and helicopters. Those are fun to watch when they bring these remote control helicopters. Those things are crazy. And what else? And the boat races. I don't know what happened to the boat race, you know, facility. It looks like it's all fallen down. I mean, the lake's still there, right? But they used to have these boat races there. And a couple years ago, we'd come out here and watch them race the boats. Those are super cool, man. Those things just fly. And when they wreck, that's really awesome. Not for the owner. Those things aren't cheap. And of course, you can come out here with your bicycle and just go for a bike ride on the regular streets and, you know, little roadways here if you're not into the mountain biking. And you can bring your dogs. I see some people up here, they're walking with their dogs. So it's, you know, it's a city park. And you can come down here. I think it's actually a county park, as long as it's on a leash. And bring your dog out here and go for a nice walk. It's breezy out. It's cool today. Oh man, it is a paradise day here in South Florida. Like I said, beautiful park. It's so nice this time of day. I actually really enjoy getting out here. I'm glad the kid says he wants to go out and ride his bike because I kind of get to come out here and just unwind. And during this time of the year, the winter, it's absolutely perfect out. It's beautiful. I wonder where that alligator went. I'm telling you, I was right over there and I saw the alligator and then I didn't see the alligator. Not today, Mr. Alligator. Not today. We're gonna walk over on the trail. Not on the trail, because I'll get ran over. We're gonna go see if we can find my son doing some jumps, or anybody for that matter, but there's a cool little place up here that they like to do their jumps on. I found him. Typical teenager. It's like, what are you doing? So it's pretty cool. Nice trail and lots of people of all ages out here having a good time on it. Like I said, it's a great park. If you're here in Delray Beach, it's just out west on State Road 7 in Atlantic Avenue. So if you guys like videos like this, where I'm showing you some of the great parks and things to do, all the nature that's here in South Florida, leave a comment down below and let me know. I know I'm usually talking about real estate, but this channel was started all because of how much I love Palm Beach County, and these are the reasons why I love it. There's just so many things to get out and do. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click the link right here. And when you're in the Palm Beaches, get out and enjoy paradise. I'll talk to you next time.